Hi everyone, today we are in conversation with Dr. Pragati Shubha, India's leading facial plastic surgeon, and we'll be busting some myths around facial plastic surgery. So tell me doc, there's this one myth that facial plastic surgery is for celebrities and is kind of vain in nature. What do you have to say?
Hi Diksha, I'm so glad that we are doing this, busting myths about facial plastic surgery. Well, it's commonly believed that facial plastic surgery is only done by celebrities. But in fact, most of our patients are not the rich and the famous. Most of us in our practice see regular people coming in for facial plastic surgery, maybe to just enhance their appearance or maybe take care of a certain defect that's been bothering them. It is also a common belief that facial plastic surgery is only done for vanity. It is only done to improve one's aesthetic appearance. Well, that is also incorrect because a lot of times facial plastic surgery is done for reconstructive purposes, for functional purposes. So we do facial plastic surgery in cleft palate patients who may have certain birth defects like a saddle nose in a binder's deformity patient. We also do it for reconstruction purposes after cancer surgeries. Also, certain defects that may occur post a trauma or post an injury, we can also do facial plastic surgery to again improve their appearance, improve the function in these cases. The end result of any facial plastic surgery is to take into account not only aesthetics but also the function.
And what about the fact that facial plastic surgery makes you look a little plastic and you can actually tell somebody's got facial plastic surgery done?
As a facial plastic surgeon, this is the question that I get asked most often. Well, I don't blame people for having this myth. This notion actually originated from the extreme cases that we've seen in the media or we've seen in popular culture. But this can easily be avoided by choosing your surgeon wisely. It should be a surgeon who actually does facial plastic surgery commonly in their practice, who's been trained in the various surgical techniques, who knows what are the complications that they can encounter. All these can actually help you attain very natural results. My aim as a facial plastic surgeon is never to change completely the way a person looks, but it's only to enhance their appearance. After all, the testament to a successful facial plastic surgery is when no one can tell that you've had surgery.
Also doc, there's a myth that facial plastic surgery is super expensive. So what do you have to say about that?
Well, you don't have to be extremely rich to get these surgeries done. Cost also depends on the kind of treatment that you're undertaking. So not all treatments are expensive. There's a range of treatments which again, according to the treatment, the cost can vary. Many patients actually discover that the cost is much less than what they had actually imagined it to be. So what I would suggest is to come in for a consultation rather than second guessing the price. And at Recon, we also have a number of easy financing options which are available to you. So you can actually go ahead with the surgery without really thinking too much about the cost.
Also, another fun question, only women get these facial plastic surgeries or can men also get them?
Conventionally, this has been true that more women were getting facial plastic surgery done. However, we now recently have also seen a lot of men coming in for facial plastic surgery consultations to us. The most popular surgery being rhinoplasty and hair transplant. Men are now in general more open to aesthetic procedures. They are open to looking after themselves. So they are also coming in for more hydrofacials, more Botox, more fillers. So yes, I don't think it's an industry which is only catering to women anymore. We are seeing a lot more men come in for consultations and taking treatments from us.
Also, we are made to believe that all the facial plastic surgeries results are permanent. What do you think?
That is partly true. Facial plastic surgery results are long lasting is what I would say. They're not permanent because facial plastic surgery can definitely take years off your face, but it cannot stop the aging process completely. So how long the results last actually depend upon a number of factors. We do suggest an age appropriate skincare. We tell you to get regular, rejuvenation treatments. We also tell you to lead a healthy lifestyle and take care of your overall health. All these factors are very important in maintaining long-lasting results of your surgery.
Tell me about the fact, how painful is it? It's believed to be quite painful and there's a long recovery period. What do you say?
No, facial plastic surgeries are not very painful. In fact, most facial plastic surgeries are actually done under general anesthesia. Recent advances in surgical techniques, anesthesia procedure, post-surgical medication for pain control and recovery have really made a lot of advances. Of course, surgical healing does take time, but a majority of our patients post-treatment return to their normal activities after 2 weeks. Thank you so much, Deeksha. You can book your facial plastic surgery consultation with me, Dr. Pragati Shubha, at the below mentioned numbers. You can also book your appointment by going to our website www.reconfacialsurgery.com.